Hi, I am Shahirun, and this is a short demo, a review of our chatbot, LedgerMind, a data-grounded financial chatbot built to answer questions strictly from provided dataset, that was trades and holdings, CSV files. So basically, I'll walk you through the system behavior, design decisions, and the live demo. So I have used Notebook LM to structure the explanation a bit, so I can carry it on in a more visual way. So first of all, we'll go with the core purpose, that is the problem understanding. So the core requirement for this task was to build a chatbot that answers questions only from the given data files and explicitly refuse to answer if the information is not present. So the key focus in my implementation was avoiding hallucinations and to overinterpret or external knowledge leakage should not be there. So which is especially important for the financial data that we are being given with. If I'm talking about the system architecture, so we have basically uh, three layers that I'm using. First one is an intent parsing layer that converts the user's question into a structured intent such as counting, aggregation, or performance comparison. The second layer that I've used is the execution layer performs deterministic pandas operation on the dataset. So here basically no LLM is used for calculations. Now talking about the last version is the presentation layer, which is basically the like the basic front end UI that I have created, uh, while the backend remains still. So yeah, now coming with the live demo. Yeah. So in live demo, we I have made sure that we don't go with any predictive analysis since I have not used any LLM such as any Gemini key or OpenAI API key. So no predictive analysis we will be seeing on this model. No qualitative explanation or no compound questions will be also. It won't handle anything such that. So yeah, this is the now as of now is a basic front end user interface of a chatbot. So I will give a some sort of sample questions. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So how many trades are there, for example, let's say. So it will think and it will give the in very straightforward answer from the data set that 649 were the numbers. Now, for example, if I go for like a let's say total trades value. So total cash is this much. Now, if I go for let's say average trade price, this is the value that is being provided for the average trade price, which is if you go through the data set, it won't hallucinate with any numbers. The accuracy rate is like I would say 100% here. Now, for example, since I told here that we have the limitation, not limitation, that is like the safety protocol that there won't be any predictive analysis or any hallucination here. So now we will take the sample question for that also. For let's say if I ask the chatbot what will be the uh, best fund next year. Next year in the sense, fund in the sense it is a predictive question. So yeah, as mentioned in the guideline, the term which should be used to stop there and that is the sort of like I cannot find the answer. Since it's a predictive question and not supported by the dataset, the chatbot explicitly refuses to answer. Now, if I ask an explanatory question, for example, explain why this fund performed better. I'm so sorry. And so here also for the type of particular question, we can see that the reply is coming to be same since explanatory questions are also diffused because the system does not interfere or fabricate reasoning beyond the data. Yeah. So this was the thing, and like this is a basic overview. This chatbot I have deployed already. deployment is already done. Backend and frontend I've deployed. I'll also share the link to the chatbot. So for the trial, you'll have the direct demo link. It's production ready for the basic level one. We can fine tune and enhance. As a backend, I've used basically the Hugging Face spaces. I've Dockerized the whole backend along with the fast API. And for the front end, the best for me go to is Vercel. Like previously, also I've made production ready chatbots like a Python tutor chatbot, which we fed with around 16,000 plus questions in order to make it go end to end with the dataset. Uh, and design philosophy, of course, overall the system prioritizes the correctness, transparency, and safety over complexity and complex modeling. Refusing to answer is treated as a valid and necessary outcome when the data does not support a question. So that concludes basically the demo of LedgerMind. And I will also make one video for the in-depth code review after this. I will attach the link to that video also because this is just a summary overview of our chatbot. I'll put the repo link along with the demo link so you can also check this out. It will be live only. So yeah, thank you for reviewing the project and let's hope for the best. Thank you.